What's up guys, this is Grant, the founder of cartfab.com, and today I went to Maverick Harley Davidson in Dallas, Texas. This video is going to showcase that event where we see a lot of burnouts, babes, and of course mini bike racing. And let me know what you think of this format. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, let me know in the comments below what I can improve on. I'm listening to what you all are saying, and a lot of you are saying, make the video about 10-15 minutes long, not too long, not too short, and show what the bikes are like, and of course the reactions after the races. So without further ado, we're going to check out the pre-race shenanigans. We're going to look at the mini bike races with crashes and reactions afterwards, and then we got a special treat for the end. So make sure you give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and let's go check it out.
Dang, I've never seen your bike so clean, Russell.
You can't finish a rake without brakes.
This guy's an animal! Whoa!
Oh my god! That's so cool!
Dude, nice man!
If you come to some of our events, you'll see I'm not afraid of anything.
What happened there, man?
I high-sided my bike at High Velocity Speedway, chasing down that bike and separated my shoulder. This is a Predator 212 with a billet rod, billet flywheel, 4-inch polished head, stainless steel valves, big 24mm carb. Runs really good.
What cam you got in there?
I've got
a secret?
No, it's not a secret. It's the welded 265 cam from Go Power Sports.
That's nice. Is that what duration does it have?
245 duration.
That's right. That's perfect for a mini bike.
Here's the other thing. The way you get these mini bikes to run good is to put a jack shaft on them.
There you go.
So for out on this little bitty track, I'm running 10-to-1 gearing.
All right, cool. Well, good luck out there. Don't wreck again.
One of the guys down there was selling his bike, and I said, I'll take it, and I bought it, and that's what I'm going to race tonight.
Nice. I'm excited.
So I really haven't done anything but add that gas tank to it, and I did that today.
Right, nice. So you got a high flow air filter, and
running a stock muffler, but the governor's been taken out. Could call this thing an outlaw, but it hasn't been cammed up.
Yeah.
No big carb or nothing like that.
and it's a real short track.
Yeah, I really don't need a whole lot of
You
motor
don't?
for this thing.
All right, cool.
Jump on the front wheel.
It's nice, man.
I need a
his tail. There we go. Whoa, whoa. There we go. All right. What a crazy race. Yeah, man. Woo. What happened?
Well, these tires are a little bit lower than I normally use. And I leaned over in the practice rounds. I never did do it. I drug the peg, but I leaned over far enough. I hit the kickstand mount. And I just rode it all the way down. There's about a 12-foot long scratch in the concrete out there where I did a donut laying on the ground.
We'll see. We'll see what the video says. Oh, here we go. Is it even going to be close? We'll see. We got a Honda Grom versus a real mini bike. Street legal versus not street legal. Oh! Oh, there we go. The corners, it gets them every time. There we go. Oh, ate it. Ooh. At least you don't crash hard. Showing off. He knows he's in the lead. Alright. Show off.
Stop my bike.
Nice wreck out there. Alright, so what happened out there?
He obviously has a bigger bike, so I tried to like push it. Gonna need some new jeans.
Oh, damn. Adrenaline's rushing. You got on a 3-horse Tecumseh of all
That
things.
is 3 intergalactic horsepower.
Oh,
It's more
dang.
Like 3,000 horsepower.
Oh, dang. 3,000 bald eagles coming out of this, muffler right here. What kind of mini bike is this? It's a Roadrunner?
I want to text here. He's had it for a long time.
That's cool. That's awesome. We got the finals coming up. First and second placers. This is the best of the best. We got the guy that wrecked and lost his air filter. We got Shane Kornhauser. Guy couldn't pass. I didn't get it on camera, but he got second. I never could pass him. We might see 2 wrecks. We'll see. This is when it counts. Going for the trophy here. Oh, no. Oh, man, we're going 5 wide. This crazy guy. We're going 5 wide. What? Ah! Oh my gosh, the carnage. Oh, we got Shane in first. Already got someone hitting the tire. Oh, good, watch out. Oh my gosh, the carnage. Oh, we got Russell first. Woo! Oh man, this is getting crazy. Already running in the back. Hold that line. Stay on the inside. Stay on the inside. He's going wide. Oh, and he ate it. Russell's still in first. He's hot on his tail. That's a battle for first and second right here. Really fast. Oh man, it's crazy on pavement. Woo! He beat you, Russell. What happened? Oh man! Second place! Woo! Nice move at the end, man! Woo! Nice. Dude! How did you pull that off? You were behind the whole race!
Well, you know, I'd like to thank is all my sponsors. You know, Predator. Yeah, Predator. What, baby?
Yeah. Oh, nice. That's what it's all about, right there.
Staying inside.
It's just a matter of not wrecking, right?
In the final.
In the final.
Yeah.
To be determined.
Well, we got that out of our system early in the day.
All right.
Good, dude. I'm just pissed off.
Shane, that was a nice wreck.
Dude, that was my race.
I
Had that out of turn 2. I had it.
You ate it.
Hold the inside. Whoever holds the inside wins out.
But you know, you can't finish a rake without brakes, especially on a small track. So that was it for me.
All right, we'll check it on the replay. Man, what happened out there? You were on his tail, second place, had it in the bag.
I was trying. Russell was holding down the inside line real good and kept blocking me, and then locked the front brake up and threw it all the way, but that's just the way it goes.
We got a good angle of that wreck though, so we'll see it in the replay.
Yeah, that'll be cool.
Oh man, cool, just like his dad. So what do you want to say? To the victor goes the spoils. What? Show me that thing, man. What is this?
We got a nice little Fakuni on there. Probably a 103 piston, knowing this place, piece of a transmission, and that's a clutch basket.
Cool. Where are you putting this thing, man?
Man, I'm gonna put it on the mantle with all my other ones.
Congrats, man. Woo! Uh-oh. This guy, woo! All right, so what do we got here?
This is a Nitro 50. Bought it from California, from Mini Chopper SoCals.
Okay.
Has a Harbor Freight 212 motor on it, slightly modified. I built the wheelie bars on it, 49-inch wheelie bars.
That's crazy.
It's putting out about 15 horsepower probably.
Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad at all.
Yeah, somewhere right around there. Has a Mikuni 22mm carburetor on it.
Okay, yeah.
Got double kill switches. Got one on the center mount, a handlebar mount to be legal in the races.
Okay.
Hydraulic brakes on the rear.
Okay.
Nice. Got a header pipe on it.
Got the center exit header pipe from Go Power Sports, right?
Yep.
That's nice. That's nice. And then I like that spun aluminum gas tank as well.
Yep, sure is. The Mikuni carburetors from Go Power Sports also. Got a few parts from them.
Yeah, that's awesome. That is so cool. And then how in the heck did you get that big old tire on there? That's nuts.
Took a lot of finagling. I've been building this since November.
Okay, how fast does it go? Everyone wants to know, right?
Well, I got an 85 tooth on the rear, a 13 tooth on the front.
Okay.
So right now it's somewhere around 75. But if I drop that rear down to say a 62, it'll go over 100 easy.
Dang, that's crazy. I don't want to be on there when it goes that fast.
Yeah, I'm not ready for that either. I'm still learning it.
All right, cool. Well, Death Wish Outlaws.
Death Wish.
Cool. Represent. All right. So clean, Russell.
The party never ends, y'all.
Hey guys, my name's Stephanie Sunker. I'm with Maverick Harley Davidson. And we were out here doing our first mini bike races, which was a hit. Lots of wrecks, lots of fun. And now we know we're going to do another one. So hopefully you all can make it.
All right, cool. Thanks.
Thanks guys for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a ton. Also, let me know in the comments below what you think truly of this video. If you like some parts, if you don't like some of the other parts, let me know. I'm always trying to improve, and I really appreciate any feedback that you all give me. One thing I am going to be coming out with is a mini bike race guide for those of you that are interested in racing with us here in Texas. So you'll know what the rules are. You'll know what modifications you can do to your bike so you can have a stock bike or an outlaw bike, and then we'll show the schedule for the rest of the year. So we got a lot of this stuff coming up with live axle conversion on a go-kart. We got more mini bike races, of course, and then we have this how do I get into mini bike racing guide coming all down the line. So if you haven't hit subscribed already, please do so, because we got a lot coming down the line. Thanks guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.